Ready to bag the perfect shot without the hassle? Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just looking to stay sharp in the field, we've got the ultimate lineup of rifles designed with seniors in mind. Comfort, precision, and ease of use all rolled into one. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more pro tips and gear reviews. 8. Savage Axis II XP. Starting off our list at 8 is the Savage Axis II XP .243 Winchester. This rifle is a fantastic entry-level option for seniors who want a lightweight and accurate firearm. The .243 Winchester caliber is known for its low recoil, making it ideal for those who prefer a gentler shooting experience. The Axis II XP comes with a pre-mounted scope, so you're ready to hit the field right out of the box. Its synthetic stock is durable and weather-resistant, while the adjustable AccuTrigger allows for a customizable pull weight, ensuring precision with every shot. For seniors looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use rifle, the Savage Axis II XP is a solid choice. The Savage Axis II XP also features a detachable box magazine, which makes reloading quick and hassle-free. The rifle's barrel is button-rifled for consistent accuracy, and the overall weight of just over 6 pounds makes it easy to carry for extended periods. The included Weaver 3-9 by 40mm scope is a nice touch, providing clear optics for target acquisition. Whether you're hunting deer or varmints, the Savage Axis II XP offers a balanced combination of performance and comfort, making it a great option for seniors who want a no-fuss, reliable rifle. 7. We have the Ruger American Rifle Compact in .308 Winchester. This rifle is designed for hunters who want a compact and lightweight firearm without sacrificing power. The .308 Winchester caliber is versatile, capable of taking down medium to large game with ease. The Ruger American features an ergonomic stock with a soft recoil pad, reducing shoulder strain and making it comfortable for seniors to shoot. Its rotary magazine ensures smooth feeding, and the Marksman adjustable trigger allows for a crisp, clean break. If you're looking for a rifle that's easy to carry and delivers consistent performance, the Ruger American Compact is a great pick. The Ruger American Rifle Compact also boasts a cold, hammer-forged barrel, which enhances accuracy and durability. The stock is made from a high-performance polymer that's both lightweight and resistant to environmental wear. The rifle's compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, such as dense woods or blinds. Additionally, the power bedding integral bedding block system ensures a solid barrel-to-action fit, improving accuracy. For seniors who value a lightweight, easy-to-handle rifle that doesn't compromise on power, the Ruger American Compact is an excellent choice. 6. X-Bolt Hunter. Coming in at 6 is the Browning X-Bolt Hunter in .270 Winchester. This rifle is a favorite among hunters for its sleek design and exceptional accuracy. The .270 Winchester caliber offers a flat trajectory and manageable recoil, making it ideal for seniors who want to take long-range shots with confidence. The X-Bolt Hunter features a lightweight composite stock and a detachable rotary magazine for quick reloading. Its feather trigger system is adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the pull weight to your preference. With its smooth bolt action and comfortable handling, the Browning X-Bolt Hunter is a reliable companion for any hunting trip. The X-Bolt Hunter also includes a free-floated barrel, which minimizes interference with the stock and enhances accuracy. The bolt's short 60-degree lift allows for faster cycling and easier operation, especially in high-pressure situations. The Inflex Technology recoil pad reduces felt recoil, making it more comfortable for seniors to shoot. Additionally, the rifle's satin finish and elegant design make it a visually appealing choice. Whether you're hunting in open fields or dense forests, the Browning X-Bolt Hunter offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and style. 5. Tikka T3X Lite. We have the Tikka T3X Lite in .30-06 Springfield. This rifle is renowned for its exceptional accuracy and lightweight design, making it a top choice for seniors. The .306 Springfield caliber is a classic, offering versatility for everything from deer to elk. The T3X Lite features a synthetic stock that's both durable and easy to handle, even in harsh weather conditions. Its smooth bolt action and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable operation, while the adjustable trigger allows for precise shooting. If you're looking for a rifle that combines performance, comfort, and reliability, the Tikka T3X Lite is a standout option. The T3X Lite also includes a cold hammer-forged barrel, which ensures consistent accuracy and long-term durability. The stock is designed with a modular structure, allowing for easy customization and adjustment. The rifle's bolt glide system ensures smooth operation, even in extreme conditions. Additionally, the T3X Lite comes with a detachable magazine, making reloading quick and easy. For seniors who want a lightweight, accurate, and versatile rifle, the Tikka T3X Lite is an excellent choice. 4. Winchester Model 70 Featherweight. Taking the 4th spot is the Winchester Model 70 Featherweight in .243 Winchester. This rifle is a timeless classic, known for its craftsmanship and reliability. The .243 Winchester caliber offers low recoil and excellent accuracy, making it a great choice for seniors. The featherweight model lives up to its name, with a lightweight design that's easy to carry in the field. Its controlled round feed action ensures smooth cycling, while the MOA trigger system provides a crisp, clean break. The walnut stock adds a touch of elegance, making this rifle as beautiful as it is functional. For seniors who appreciate tradition and performance, the Winchester Model 70 Featherweight is a must-consider. The Model 70 Featherweight also features a Mauser-style claw extractor, which ensures reliable feeding and extraction. The barrel is precision-crowned to enhance accuracy, and the overall balance of the rifle makes it easy to handle. The classic design and high-quality materials make this rifle a favorite among traditionalists. Whether you're hunting in the mountains or the plains, the Winchester Model 70 Featherweight offers a perfect blend of performance and elegance. 3. Bergara B14. Hunter. Kicking off our top 3 is the Bergara B14 Hunter in 6.5 Creedmoor. This rifle is a favorite among hunters for its precision engineering and smooth performance. The 6.5 Creedmoor caliber is known for its mild recoil and long-range accuracy, making it an excellent choice for seniors who want to take precise shots without the kick. The B14 Hunter features an ergonomic walnut stock that's both comfortable and stylish, while its free-floated barrel ensures consistent accuracy. The adjustable trigger allows for a crisp, clean break, and the smooth bolt action makes cycling rounds effortless. If you're looking for a rifle that combines modern technology with classic design, the Bergara B14 Hunter is a top-tier option. The B14 Hunter also includes a Bergara performance trigger, which is adjustable from 2.5 to 4 pounds, allowing for a customized shooting experience. The rifle's barrel is made from high-quality steel, ensuring long-term durability and consistent performance. The stock is designed with a comfortable grip and cheek weld, making it easy to shoot accurately. Additionally, the B14 Hunter comes with a detachable magazine, making reloading quick and easy. For seniors who want a rifle that offers precision, comfort, and style, the Bergara B14 Hunter is an excellent choice. 2. Weatherby Vanguard Synthetic. Taking the 2 spot is the Weatherby Vanguard Synthetic in .270 Winchester. This rifle is a powerhouse of performance and reliability, designed for hunters who demand the best. The .270 Winchester caliber offers a flat trajectory and manageable recoil, making it ideal for seniors who want to take down game at medium to long ranges. The Vanguard Synthetic features a lightweight and durable synthetic stock that's resistant to harsh weather conditions. Its 2-stage trigger provides a smooth and predictable pull, while the sub-MOA accuracy guarantee ensures you'll hit your target with confidence. With its combination of power, precision, and comfort, the Weatherby Vanguard Synthetic is a standout choice for senior hunters. The Vanguard Synthetic also includes a free-floated barrel, which enhances accuracy by minimizing interference with the stock. The rifle's action is bedded in an aluminum block, ensuring a solid barrel-to-action fit. The stock is designed with a comfortable grip and cheek weld, making it easy to shoot accurately. Additionally, the Vanguard Synthetic comes with a detachable magazine, making reloading quick and easy. For seniors who want a rifle that offers power, precision, and comfort, the Weatherby Vanguard Synthetic is an excellent choice. 1. Christensen Arms Mesa. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the one hunting rifle for seniors, the Christensen Arms Mesa in .308 Winchester. This rifle is the ultimate blend of lightweight design, precision engineering, and exceptional performance. The .308 Winchester caliber is versatile and powerful, capable of handling everything from deer to larger game with ease. The Mesa features a carbon fiber-wrapped barrel that reduces weight without sacrificing accuracy, making it one of the lightest rifles in its class. Its ergonomic stock is designed for comfort and stability, while the crisp trigger ensures a smooth and precise shot every time. The Mesa's bolt action is buttery smooth, and its overall balance makes it a joy to carry in the field. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Christensen Arms Mesa is the rifle for you. The Mesa also includes a spiral fluted bolt, which reduces weight and enhances the rifle's overall balance. The stock is made from a high-quality composite material that's both lightweight and durable. The rifle's barrel is precision rifled for consistent accuracy, and the overall weight of just over 6 pounds makes it easy to carry for extended periods. Additionally, the Mesa comes with a detachable magazine, making reloading quick and easy. For seniors who want a rifle that offers the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and style, the Christensen Arms Mesa is the ultimate choice. And there you have it, the ultimate lineup of hunting rifles designed with seniors in mind. Whether you're chasing deer or elk, these rifles offer the perfect balance of power, accuracy, and comfort. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights and recommendations. Happy hunting!